everyone, this is Shala Memorongan, and our topic for today is all about the networking devices such as switch, the router, the bridge, the modem, and lastly the repeater. And I'll discuss each functions and the uses of these networking devices and their differences to each other, especially the router. And now let's start to the switch. Switch. It is a device in a computer network that connects other devices together. Multiple data cables are plugged into a switch to enable communication between different network devices. Then, the frequently asked question was, how does a network switch work? Network switches allows different devices on a network to communicate. Then the difference between the switches and the routers was, if the network switches allows different devices on a network to communicate, then the routers allows different networks to communicate. Then switches is usually faster than the routers. Routers. It is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as web page or email, is in the form of data packets. Then, the use of the routers was, wireless routers connects directly to a modem by a cable. This allows it to receive information and transmit information from the internet. Bridge. It is a computer network device that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication network-to-network segments. And its uses was work at the data link layer in an OSI model to connect two different networks and provide communication between them. It is similar to hubs and repeaters. Bridges broadcast data to each node. Then the difference between the bridges and the routers was, bridge is a network device which works in data link layer, whereas the router is also network device which works in a network layer. But router is more intelligent device than a bridge because router can facilitate layer 2 bridging functions if required and can concurrently route through the same interface. Modem. It is a hardware device that converts data from a digital format intended for communication directly between devices with specialized wiring into one suitable for a transmission medium. The use of the modem was to send digital data over a phone line, then sending modem modulates the data into signal that compatible with the phone line, and receiving modem demodulates the signal back into digital data. Then the difference between the modem and the router was, modem is a box that connects your home network to a wider internet. Then the router is a box that lets all your wired and wireless devices use that internet connection at once and also allows them to talk to one another without having to do so over the internet. Repeater. It is an electronic device that receives a signal and retransmits it. Repeaters are used to extend transmission so that the signal can cover longer distances or be received. Then the uses of the repeater. A repeater can relay message between subnetworks that use different protocols or cable types. Then the difference between the repeater and the router was, a repeater is used to repeat the signals received by router and send to repeater to repeat, while the router is used to connect to internet.